Hey guys, it's Craig at Area 419, here to show you the newest thing in our product lineup, Ranger Wraps. Ranger Wraps are something we found that are an inexpensive way to protect your high-end optics. At $45, made of CORDURA nylon with a removable 3M backer, they're just enough to keep those scratches and dings that come from a cattle gate or that one really wild Kestrel that was at Peacemaker and kind of floats around the Northeast. They're easy to install and they're available in 4 colors. We've got Multicam, Black Multicam, Woodland, as well as 80s Splatter. Installing them is pretty straightforward. They come pre-cut for your optic. We've got SKUs for Gen 2, Gen 3 Razor, Kahles K624i, Tangent, Leupold Mark 5, Zico. Got a hold of the guy at Ranger Wrap. We had some of his stuff in the pistol carbine world and thought our customers would dig this. This is a great item for precision rifle. So if you'd like one, go to the link below. They're in stock. They're ready to ship. Until next time.